In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Stripe as a payment method on Xero Invoices. To get started, we need to log into your Xero accounting software. Begin by navigating to the Xero login page and enter your credentials. Once you've entered your email and password, go ahead and click on the login button. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Locate your company name at the top of the page and click on it. This will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll see the option for settings. Click on settings to proceed further. In the settings menu, look for and click on payment services. This is crucial as it will allow you to manage and add new payment gateways to your invoices. Next, we'll be adding a new payment service. Under payment services, click on add new payment service. This action takes you to a different section where you can set up various payment options like cards and digital wallets. To set up Stripe, click on the option that says set up cards and digital wallets. Following that, you'll see a button for Get Set Up with Stripe. Click on it and you'll be redirected to the Stripe setup page. Here, enter your Stripe account details. This might be an existing account or you could create a new one if necessary. Once you have filled in your Stripe account details, click on Submit. Stripe will guide you through a few more steps to complete the onboarding process. Simply follow the prompts and upon completion you'll be redirected back to Xero. You're nearly there. The next step is to complete the linkage between Stripe and Xero, ensuring seamless integration. Once integrated, return to your company name at the top of your Xero dashboard. We need to adjust your invoice settings so that Stripe is available as a payment option on your custom branded invoices. Click on the company name, then go back to the settings menu. This time find and click on Invoice Settings. Here you can modify the branding themes of your invoices. Select the branding theme you wish to apply Stripe to and click on Edit. Under the Payment Services section, which relates to credit card configurations, choose Stripe as the gateway for this theme. Make sure everything is properly highlighted as you go through this process. Finally, click OK to save your settings. By following these steps, you've successfully set up Stripe as a payment method on your Xero invoices. This allows you to securely receive payments from your clients via Stripe, providing them with flexibility and ease of payment. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in integrating Stripe with your Xero invoices. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance.